Hey, so just, you know what? Let's just get all the intros out of the way. Just get them in now. Now that that's out of the way, if you're still around, welcome. If it's your first time here, I am Justin. This is TXMD Original, and you're probably here to see some dumb shit. So with that being said, let's dive right in. This here is a Mazda 2. We've done a couple videos on it already. Didn't show you guys, I don't think, the powder-coated race hook there. I mean, that added, I think, I don't know, probably 20 horsepower. So pretty incredible. Pretty much like having VTEC. But here's what I'm unleashing today. This right here is an Amazon purchase straight out of Russia. I can't read Russian. I don't know if that'll focus. Maybe when I get the plastic off, it'll focus a little better. We're gonna see if we can't stuff this kit on this car. Half of the kit said it would fit the car. The other half wasn't very clear. So y'all's guess is as good as mine on how this is gonna go. So let's see how big a pain this ass is. How big of a pain in the ass this is going to be. There we go. That sounds a little better. So with that being said, let's dive right in. All right, so for $100 off Amazon, yes, I said Amazon because like I said, those of you who actually follow our videos and build series, you know, we said this guy was gonna be a budget build. So yes, I found this lift kit off Amazon. And for $100 from Russia, you get 2 instructions, front, rear, your rear pucks, the front pucks, and the hardware that goes with the front. Little overview of how this is gonna work. The pucks sit on top of your strut. In the rear, the pucks go on top of the spring. That's what we have to do. So it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, one of them said it was made for the car, the other one not so much, so we'll just have to see if this actually is all gonna work. I don't even know that the fronts that say they're gonna work for the car actually work for the car. But, I guess, like I said, we'll all find out together. So I've got instructions ready, all this ready, hardware ready, got the jack under the car, about to get the tool so I can pull the wheel off. And we're gonna start the front and see how that goes and hope for the best. But like I said, $100 for a lift kit if this works, it's gonna be pretty outstanding. So let's just dive into some time lapse of working on the car.
Get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah.
All right, this light is really bright, so I'm gonna hurry up and turn you guys around. So this is with the front lift on. From here to here, we've got, I think it's right at 4 inches or so. But over here, we've got 4 1/4. So I don't know why it's a 1/4 inch off. Maybe the suspension just needs to settle in. I'm really hoping that's what's going on. The rears haven't got to today, and unfortunately you really couldn't tell that there's a lift anywhere on it. Not that I was expecting some monster truck, but hopefully the front suspension settles back in, and then we'll get a measurement tomorrow, and then hopefully be able to come back up here tomorrow and put the rear lift on and see what it looks like, I guess, as a whole. And we're also doing this kind of in a pinch, in a hurry, last minute for an event like we always are. And that is for Tuned Originals, plugged right here. This video will be dropping the Friday of that event. So if you guys are from DFW, please come see us out at Tuned Originals at Sneaky Pete's in Louisville. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, please come by and see us. We should have a booth. But with all that being said, we're gonna try to take this car and kind of have something different, another lifted car. May not make it. May just have to rely on the old Yada. So we'll see what happens, guys. I'll pick back up once we get to the rear. See y'all then. All right, we're back in the shop. As you see, I've already got this side up in the air. Driver's side rear, that is. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try to see if we can get these little pucks in here. Let me turn you guys around. We can get these little pucks in here. They go as you see by the instructions. You know, you got your lower perch, your spring perch, and then your rubber, the spring itself, and then another rubber bushing, and then your puck. That's what that is right there. It's gonna go in there like this. This being the top. So, I guess really ain't nothing to it but do it. I did some time lapse for the front, so I might as well just do some time lapse for the rear. All right, so on the rear, I know y'all saw me kind of working on the other side most of the time, on the passenger side when we started doing the rear, and I apologize for that, but I had to do some minor fabrication. Yes, even I can cut springs. Shout out Definitely Not Mechanics, still y'all's thunder, but been doing this shit since knee high to a grasshopper, old son. But anyway, had to cut some springs up, do some minor fabrication. Shout out to the Gerb, I can cut stuff too with a grinder. But anyway, I had to cut just like a half a cool off the spring to get this to work, because that puck did not really want to sit inside the spring, because at the top and the bottom it's such a tight cool. So to open it up, I had to cut a little bit out. We're parked on an incline, so don't mind that. I mean, we got hella gap on the front, but yeah, it's nowhere near the height of the Miata, and that's kind of what I was hoping for when I bought this kit. But I mean, for $100 and, you know, 4 hours essentially, I think, all together, and the front just takes a little time because you have to compress the springs off the struts. The rear went snap snap, as you guys saw. So I guess I can do an update later on. Those of you guys who follow our social media, I'll probably put it out there on the social media platforms through Instagram/Facebook on how it's holding up. Those of you guys who may be interested or have any questions, just get in the comments below. But yeah, one final look, man. Like I said, we're parked on an incline, so it's hard to see with the way the lighting is out here. But I mean, you can get a little bit of taste right there. But yeah, so got the as far as I know. So, and that's another thing. Put in the comments if you've seen another one. But I've got the only Mazda 2 I know this side of the pond from Russia, with rock lights, a lift kit, and got the tow hooks going. We're getting full rally built out here on this guy. So more budget stuff coming. Like I said, $100 off Amazon. I can put some links down in the bottom. But yeah, anyway, if you made it this far, we appreciate it. Let us know what stupid idea we should do next, what we should keep rolling with. We got a new project, so we'll have to reveal that coming up. I'm not gonna do it right now. Little teaser, it's in the shop right now running. Yeah, I said running. We got something that is already running. So I'm sure we can fix that. But please like this video, sub up, go check out some other videos. If this is your first time here, hit the notification bell right there. Social platforms all in here, and like I said, like, sub, please do all that good stuff. Check us out on the social platforms. And this is right before September 11th, so just a quick little shout out. Those of you in the DFW area, like I said earlier in the video, come check us out at Tuned Originals out in Louisville at Sneaky Pete's. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one. A monster truck, but oh my goodness, technical difficulties. I think we just hold it. Yes, there we go. Okay, sorry. But yeah, you can't really tell that there's a little